There are a few maintenance items that should be checked daily on the track assembly. To start, we should check all the rollers on the track assembly for any signs of an oil leak. The track drive wheel assembly has a scraper to prevent excessive dirt or mud buildup. If any excessive dirt or mud buildup is noted on the drive wheel assembly, the scraper should be readjusted to the specifications. The track tension cylinder has two grease fittings. Please note, one is on the rear side, back side of the cylinder on the pivot pin. The other one is located up here on the front of the pivot pin. The track should be checked on a daily basis for any abnormal signs of wear and tear. In addition to your visual inspection of the outside of the track, you should also take note to the inside of the track assembly where the drive lugs are, also looking for any abnormal signs of wear and tear. If any abnormal signs of wear and tear are noted on the inside drive lugs of the track, you should contact your Versatile dealer to check your track alignment.